I'm sure you guys are liking these new videos that I'm producing for last few weeks. The videos are in portrait mode and I'm just shooting them on my phone, and using the phone itself I'm kind of editing the videos and uploading the videos on YouTube. I'm also creating the thumbnail of these videos using an app on my mobile phone. What are the things that I use to shoot, to edit, and to create the thumbnail? That's what I'm going to talk about in this video today. So if you are someone who's interested in learning how to create videos or YouTube videos in particular on your smartphone, please watch this video till the end. Welcome to the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. My name is Stan, and this. All right. So what are the first thing that you would need to create this kind of videos? First thing would be obviously your smartphone. Now I'm not using any other gadget. I'm not using a DSLR camera or something. I'm just using the phone that I have right now. It is Motorola's G52, the new mobile phone that I bought like a couple of months ago. The front camera of this mobile is awesome. It actually creates or it takes a lot of good photos on the front and also on the back camera. But the front camera is what is important to me because I use the front camera to shoot all these videos, even the video that I'm doing right now. Okay, so I use this smartphone Motorola G52, and the previous phone that I was using was Xiaomi's Poco F1. Poco F1 I've used for almost more than 3 years now, 3 4 years now, but that has given me a great quality of videos. Okay, you must have seen my previous videos as well. Anyways, so that's my recording device. I'm using the my smartphone. Now I use an app, not the normal phone camera app for recording these videos. The app that I use is Open Camera. I've actually talked about Open Camera in a previous video and I've suggested why it is so much better from the regular camera that you have on your smartphones. So if you want to shoot your videos, I would suggest that you use Open Camera. There are a lot of settings on Open Camera. You can use manual modes, automatic modes. There's so many things. You can check it out, and it's completely free. That's the best thing about it. Okay, it's a free camera, and you can use it on any Android phone. Okay, so that's the app that I use for shooting my videos. Next is the editing part. I edit my videos on another app called InShot. Now, InShot is an old app. I have been using it for a long time. I've also talked about it earlier, but then that has evolved over the time. Now there is one more app from InShot itself, which is UCut. I've used UCut for a couple of videos also. You must have seen there are some extra animation on UCut which are really good. But then there is one feature on InShot which helps me a lot, which is denoise. Now if I denoise the video, the audio quality enhances a little bit, and that is something I would do on my computer easily using Camtasia or any other voice editing software like your Audacity. But on phone it is a little difficult, and I do not want to detach the audio and then I mean edit that audio, curate that audio, and then edit again. That creates a lot of extra work. But on InShot there is an option called denoise, and that removes some of the background noise that you might have. So that is something which is awesome, and I'm going to use InShot for these videos from now on. So this video that you are watching right now is created on the mobile video editing app called InShot. Now once you have created the video using InShot, again InShot is free. There is a pro version also, but if you want you can just use the free version. That's enough for me. So I create those videos. Once the videos are created, then I need to upload them. Now I upload the videos using YouTube's main app. There is a create option, and there you can upload the video. Once the video is uploaded, I do not publish it right away. Okay, I keep it on unlisted mode, and once the video is uploaded, it's processed and everything is ready, I go to my YouTube Studio app, and from there I upload the thumbnail, and I publish the video or schedule the video. Now to create the thumbnail, I use one more app which is called PicMonkey. Okay, PicMonkey is awesome. I've been using PicMonkey and PixArt for for many years now. Okay, but then PicMonkey gives me those features, those tools that I want to have for creating the thumbnails that you can see in my recent videos. Okay, that's why I'm using PicMonkey for now. But then I've used PicsArt also for a lot of thumbnails on my YouTube channel. Okay, so I create the thumbnail and I add the thumbnail or upload the thumbnail using the YouTube Studio app that I have on my phone. So that's the entire process. Okay, if I have to do something more, like adding a description, adding those your hashtags, and curating the content, something different, or adding those end slides, or those your I button things, these links to different the cards, I mean the video cards, all those things I can do from my laptop. However, if you do not have a laptop, if you have only your smartphone, you can do the entire thing on your smartphone. So just to recall, I use the smartphone camera to record the videos, and I use the app called Open Camera for that matter. Then I use the editing app called InShot to edit my videos. Then I upload them using the YouTube app on my phone, and then I create the thumbnails using PicMonkey app. Okay, so you can check all these things. These are all available on Play Store. I'm not giving any links in the description. You can just go to Play Store and get those get those apps that I've mentioned in the video. Okay, so that's the entire process. I hope now you know how exactly I create these new style videos on my channels. Any questions you have regarding this, anything you want to know more on these apps or this system setup, you can please ask me in the comment section. Okay, thanks again for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and if the information that I've shared is helpful to you, please give me a like. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.